Hello, my name is Carmen Garcia, and today I'll be discussing briefly about fisheries management. It's proven that fish populations are an important way of life for many species, especially humans. An estimated 1 billion people worldwide depend upon fish and shellfish as their main source of protein. Unfortunately, the fish population has been decreasing due to overfishing, bycatch, pollution, and so forth. The decline in fish stocks has caught the attention of societies all across the globe, and today specifically we'll briefly discuss fisheries management that has been done in Alaska. The North Pacific Fisheries Management Council, which encompasses Alaska, is one of 8 regional councils established by the Magnuson-Stevens Fishery Conservation and Management Act in 1976. This act was used to manage fisheries in the 200-mile exclusive economic zone, which is seen in the photo. These areas are used to target zones that are in dire need of fishery management in the U.S. This act allowed the nation's progress in fishery management to move forward to ecosystem-based management practices. As discussed in the Bradburn Sea Change article, an ecosystem-based approach has an aim to control fishing in order to avoid ecological harm by conserving not just the fish being harvested, but also their neighbors, predators, and prey, and the underlying habitat that sustains all marine life. In contrast to traditional fishery management, which just focuses on sustaining the harvested fish stocks in order to maximize their yield for human use. For example, the North Pacific Fishery Management Council, which oversees Alaska's major groundfish fisheries, has established seasonal or permanent fishing enclosures covering more than 395,000 square miles in order to protect marine habitat and prevent bycatch of non-target species. Trawling is regulated to spread out fishing efforts in time and space in order to avoid depletion of prey needed by marine mammals. Fishing for most forage species is prohibited in order to protect food supplies for the seabirds, fish, and marine mammals. And catch limits are set under precautionary policies that incorporate safety margins for scientific uncertainty in a wide variety of ecological and environmental factors. All these efforts under the ecosystem-based approach have resulted in the groundfish resources to increase back to their higher levels and have rebuilt depleted stocks in Alaska. So all these efforts that they made under the ecosystem-based approach has proven to be very successful for Alaska. And there are many other approaches that can be taken for fishery management and much more material that can be covered. However, an overarching theme is that ecosystem-based approach has proven to be very effective for fishery management. And here are the resources that I used in order to create this presentation. Thank you for your time.